In this part, we are going to talk about how to zip and unzip the file by using the zip file modules and also the shell utilities. So first, we go to create the two files so we can use for zipping these two files. So first, we create the file 1.txt in write mode, and then we write the file 1 this text, and then we close the file. And now if you go to here, you can see we have this file.txt. And then we go to here and create the file 2.txt, and then it also in write mode. So now you have these two files, file 1.txt and also the file 2.txt. So you back to here, and then we import the zip file. We import the zip file modules, and we will create a zip file 1.zip, and it will in write mode. So we can put the file 1 and file 2 later. So now you create this zip file. Now you can see under here we can see the zip file 1.zip, but it do not have anything yet. So we have to write a file 1.txt, and we use the compressed type is zip file.zip deflected. And then we also write another file to this zip file. So we write this file 2 that we just created and put it inside this zip file 1. So after we write these two files inside this zip file 1.zip, we close this file, and now you can see this zip file 1.zip. And then after we already has this zip file, we can go to unzip this file, and then we create a variable is equal to zip file.zip file, and then we put the zip file 1.zip, and this is exactly the same name as here. And then we go to use the read mode, and then we will extract this file 1.txt, and then we go to file 1 folders, and the password is none. So it will just extract this file, and I will put this inside this file 1 folder. And we can go to this file 1 folder, and we can see this file 1.txt file. And of course, this will be much easier if you just extract all to a folder named all files folders. So it will not go to specify which file you want to extract. So we extract this, and now we back to the folder, and now you can see we have all files folder, and you can see file 1 and file 2. Now we can also use the shell utilities. So first you have to import the shell utilities, and then I import the OS modules. If you remember, we can get the current directory path by using the os.get current directory. I just use this for creating the folder path. So if you do not need this, you can also delete the OS modules and type it by yourself. So now we can see we are currently using these folders. So for example, if you want to make the zip file, you can you have to put the file name, and then you have to put the zip. So this is .zip. And this is the folder path. So we want to For example, we have file 2 folders. So for example, we have to create a file 2 folders. So we go to create a new folders, and then file 2 folders. And then inside this, we create some text file, for example. Or maybe we create another folder. And then we back to here. And then we go to the path. And because the path, because we are going to use the Mac OS, so we change this to file 2 folder. So now we are pointing to the file 2 folder that we just create. And we want to make the file name, the zip file name, to be zip file 2. So we can now go to make the archive by putting the name and also the format and also the folder path that we want to zip. So now if you back to here, you can see now we get the zip file 2 at the bottom. And we can also unpack, after we already demonstrate how to zip the file, we will go to unzip this file, and we want to use the name unzip the folders. And then this is the extract directory, and the format is zip. So now we extract this, and we are looking for these unzipped folders. So the unzipped folders, and we can see we have another folders, and that is what we just put inside the unzipped file too.